For decades, they told you the same lie: don't put all your eggs in one basket. They told you to diversify until your gains were so diluted they barely covered inflation. But in 2026, safe diversification is the slowest way to build real wealth. Welcome back to Lisonary. In the old world, diversification was a shield against ignorance. If you didn't know which industry would win, you bought them all. But today, we don't have an information problem, we have a filtering problem. With AI, we no longer need to bet on everything. We can use deep data to identify asymmetric concentrations, the few sectors where the risk is low, but the potential for global impact is massive. True wealth in this era isn't built by owning 1,000 average companies. It's built by identifying the 3 or 4 systems that will define the next decade and backing them with conviction. At Lisonary, we don't believe in collecting assets. We believe in architecting a core. Diversification protects wealth, but concentration builds it. The 2026 strategist doesn't fear volatility. They use it, while the crowd is busy balancing 50 different stocks to feel safe. The Lisonary investor is focused on the deep value that others are too distracted to see. Are you diversifying because you are careful, or because you are unsure? It's time to move from betting on the market to investing in the future. Subscribe and learn to focus your power. Lisonary, wealth with